Okay, now come a little bit closer. Now, once you got everything in there, what I like to do is, before it gets hot, I like to get in there and smush the tomatoes a little bit. A marinara sauce is supposed to be a light, chunky tomato and a little bit loose. It's not supposed to be like paste, okay? A lot of times I would appear, oh, the water sauce is watery. Marinara, again, go back to history. It's not supposed to be paste, okay? Gravy. Now, once you get this down to you get to this point, I used sea salt, like I said, and pepper. The good thing about this is that this could become the masterpiece of everything else. And if you guys behave, and I get a good return on this, I will teach you guys how to make other things with this. We can make matriciana, we can make arrabbiata, we can make so many different sauces, it's unreal. And another good thing that you could use this for is that you can make, if you like, tomato soup. All you do is you take this, put it in a little pot, if you like, add a little bit of olive oil, and just eat it up. And when I used to have the restaurant, I used to sell a ton of it. And this used to be my tomato soup, okay? And later I'm going to be making basil, pesto, and everything else. So this is basically the whole thing. You stir it, make sure nothing burns on the bottom. You bring to a boil. Once it comes to a boil, you let it cook for about 5 minutes, okay? You mix, then you take it off. When you take it off, you get a little bit of extra virgin olive oil, and you put it on top, not when it's cooking, after it's cooked, then you shut it off. You put a little bit of extra virgin olive oil on top, you mix it, and you take it off the fire and let it settle. Even though it's ready to eat right away, to add flavor, because I make a lot, because I give some to my neighbors, my kids, okay? That's why I let it sit. But it's ready to rock and roll. And I guarantee you that this will be the best sauce you will ever have. Have a good day, and maybe I'll see you next week. I'll teach you some other different kind of sauces. Love you. Ciao.